Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink a phone number on a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you want to make documents more interactive, allowing people to simply click a number to call it directly from their device. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to hyperlink the phone number. This could be a business card, a contact sheet, or any document where having a clickable phone number would make things more convenient for your readers. Now that your PDF is open, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This will activate the editing mode and give you access to all the tools you need to modify your document. Once you're in edit mode, turn your attention to the left panel where you'll find various editing options. In the left panel, click on More. This expands additional features that aren't immediately visible in the standard toolbar. From these expanded options, click on Link, then select Add or Edit a Link. This is the feature that will allow you to turn your phone number into an interactive element. Next, draw a rectangle directly over the phone number in your PDF. Make sure the rectangle covers the entire number so it's easy for users to click. This rectangle will become the clickable area, so precision here matters for a clean professional result. After drawing the rectangle, navigate to Link Type and choose whether you want a visible rectangle or invisible rectangle. A visible rectangle will show a border around the phone number, while an invisible one keeps it looking natural. Choose whichever fits your document's design better. Now, navigate to Link Action and click the circle beside Open a Web Page. Even though we're linking a phone number, this is the option that allows us to create the hyperlink functionality we need. Click Next to proceed to the next step. In the text field that appears, enter the phone number. You'll want to format this as tel : followed by the phone number, like tel : 12345678890. This ensures that when someone clicks it, their device will recognize it as a phone number and offer to make a call. Click OK to confirm and save your hyperlink settings. The phone number should now be fully linked and ready to use. In the upper left, click the X to close the Edit option and return to the standard viewing mode. Now hover your mouse over the hyperlink you just added to test it. You should see your cursor change, indicating that the link is active and clickable. Finally, in the upper right, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hyperlinked a phone number in your PDF, making it much more user-friendly and interactive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.